Furious iPhone users say Apple's latest update is killing battery life. iPhone users who have installed Apple's latest software update, iOS 14.6, are complaining that it's draining their batteries, sometimes killing a full charge in mere hours. Apple customers slammed the company's community forum and Twitter this week with gripes about the May 24 update. "My battery life on iOS 14.6 is terrible. Is it just me or anyone is experiencing this thing too?" wrote one user. Another chimed in, "After iOS 14.5 and 14.6 updates, my device has been awful. Mostly the battery life. But iOS 14 was a total train wreck." Many owners of older iPhone models complained about the update's destructive impact on battery life. "The situation is so bad that I cannot work with the iPhone 7 for 2 hours and it runs out of charge," one said. But the issue is reportedly hitting even Apple's most recent iPhone models. 14.6 is draining my iPhone 12 Pro battery. Another agreed, "You are not alone. The iOS 14.6 reduced drastically my iPhone 12 Pro battery life. Come on, Apple. Release a fix soon." Another user pleaded. "Hey at Apple, the new iOS 14.6 is destroying my battery life. Not even 2.5 hours unplugged with light use and I'm already at half battery," tweeted at @MrClimaCool. "At Apple, your update to 14.6 is killing my battery. Glad to see you are once again forcing people to get new phones. I began having battery performance trouble after the 13.5.1 update last summer, and after the 14.6 update finally accepted that Apple doesn't intend to fix this issue for existing phones, and had the battery replaced. Nothing else I tried helped. But this seems to have worked," tweeted at AckXP. Apple responded on Twitter, saying, "We can understand wanting more battery life and can assist with what you're seeing. Which model iPhone are you using? If you check settings, battery health, what number is there? Let us know in DM, please, and we'll continue there." YouTube channel iAppleBytes found terrible results in battery performance with the new update, and demonstrated the battery performance in a video test. The video shows 7 iPhone models running iOS 14.6 as they lose battery power. 5 die within 5 hours. 2 of the earliest models tested, the iPhone SE and the iPhone 6s, died within 3 hours, while the iPhone SE 2020 died in just over 3 hours. "This is the still worst battery result I have ever seen on my devices," iAppleBytes concluded at the end of the video, which was posted on May 24. "Your experience may be different, but this is not something I have seen on a similar scale before. Fingers crossed for a quick iOS 14.6.1. Apple typically releases major software updates each fall to go with a new iPhone model, but it rolls out incremental updates throughout the year to provide new features and patch bugs or other defects. Apple could reveal its next major update at its annual Worldwide Developers Conference, which is scheduled to run all next week. Representatives for Apple did not return the Post's request for comment on the complaints.